All right, so I'm going to walk you guys through how to do the first couple of these. So I'm going to do Willapa Bay and Sitka Tribe. So what we're going to do is look in the next set of slides for Willapa Bay. So here I'm going to look at Willapa Bay, go to my present mode so I can look at it. So it says Willapa Bay urchins before the hunt. So up here I actually have a nice picture of Willapa Bay. And here we have a picture of the urchins that I found. So if we look at the picture of the urchins that I found 1, 2, 3 that are darker colored, 2 that are that medium colored, and 2 that are that lighter colored. So what I'm going to do is just write that down. So out of 7, I have 3 out of 7 that are dark, 2 out of 7 that are medium, and 2 out of 7 that are light. So I just wrote that down in my little Post-it note. Okay, so we're going to use that later. And we found 7 urchins that measured all of those measurements. So what I'm going to do with that information is I'm going to average that information together. So I added them all together and I happened to get even number. I got 32 and I added 5.6, 2.7, 5.9, and so on and so on. So to get my average, I'm going to divide that by 7 and that equals 4.57. Since everything there is rounded to the tens place, I'm also going to round it to the tens place. So my average would be 4.6. So what I'm going to do is click on back to data table, and then it brings me back to the data table that I need. So on my keyboard, I'm going to press escape. So now I can go into the edit mode. My average diameter was 4.6 centimeters. My percent of dark urchins. So on my little Post-it, I wrote there were 3 out of 7 that were dark. So now what I'm going to do is 3 divided by 7 equals 0.428. So I'm going to round that to 43% of urchins that were dark. My medium urchins were 2 out of 7. So 2 divided by 7 equals 28.5%. So I'm just going to put that as 29%. My percent of light urchins, it was also 2 out of 7. So that would also be 29%. So you'll notice if we add 29 plus 29 plus 43, that equals 101, not 100, but it's just because of the rounding. So it's okay if with your rounding, you get like 101 or you get 99, or sometimes it might come out to a perfect 100 when we're looking at everything. So what you're going to do is go on all the different slides. So now Sitka tribe, I'm going to look at my Sitka tribe and do the exact same thing. So we're going to present so you can see everything a little bit better. Look at the measurements, average them. We have 2 out of 6 that are light, 1 out of 6 that are medium, 3 out of 6 that are dark. Add all of that to your data table. So click on escape so you can go in and edit, and then put all of your totals on the bottom. All right, so I hope that helps.